We're shooting 15, 20 feet away, and the controls are brightened up to dimming down. ENOKIK Rabbit Astronaut Galaxy Projector. We're going to open this up, show you what it looks like. You have an instruction guide on top, nicely packaged with a USB cord, USB-A to C, a remote control, and the rabbit in its sleeve. It is a white rabbit astronaut, going to project on the ceiling and all around the stars. Give you a nice close-up look. Speaker on top, ears, the oxygen pack, silver hands, gold, and black. The ears are rubber, they flex. This is a flexible wire cord. The remote control requires 2 AAA batteries. It has an off and an on, a 5-position mouse, and 5 buttons. Do not be afraid if the head comes off. It's detachable and it's magnetic. This way you can adjust it to the ceiling looking up. Plug in the USB-C to the oxygen pack located underneath the cord. It is right here. Charge the bad boy up and watch out. Those lights are on. As you can see, the stars are lit and the lights are on my hand. We'll turn it around so you can see the ceiling and the walls behind me. The Rabbit Astronaut Projector is projecting against the wall the galaxies of the universe. We'll hit the S- as it rotates and changes. We hit on the next of the controllers, the next button, and the button after. And the one below shuts off the stars and turns them on. And the one below rotates the cloud and the galaxy. If the remote control is not near you, you can change on the back of the air pack, the nubular. You have 3 buttons there that you can turn the lights off, on, and so forth. You can place the head anywhere you want. If you have your star and or nubular effect, it's 360 degrees basically in front of you, rotating around. The head of the rabbit is magnetic, which you can easily detach or just adjust it anywhere you want. It's great for decoration for your kids, you name it. It has a brightness adjustment and a level adjustment for your effects. When all done on the back of the unit, simply hold the bottom button and it shuts right off. Enjoy your Rabbit Astronaut if this is something you are looking for.